Hey, welcome back to the channel. So you're thinking about getting hosting, that's awesome. And I totally get why you're here. You've probably been hunting around online for a coupon code and maybe you even found one offering 10% off. Honestly, that's not bad. But here's the thing, you can do way better than that. I've got a special link that automatically applies a 20% discount for you, no matter where you're from in the world. It works in your local currency and language too, which is super convenient. So instead of settling for less, let's make sure you're getting the best deal possible right from the start. All you need to do is click my link and you'll land straight on Hostinger's official website. Once you're there, head up to the navbar and click on products and services. You'll see all their amazing options laid out. Things like cloud hosting, web hosting, a website builder, and even Hostinger business email. There's genuinely something for everyone here. For this video, I'm going to walk you through the VPS hosting plans so you can see exactly how it works. Hostinger has a bunch of great VPS options: KVM1, KVM2, KVM4, and KVM8. I'm picking the KVM2 plan today, and the moment I go to checkout, boom, that 20% discount is already sitting there, automatically applied. No code needed, no stress. Oh, and one little tip before you go, try signing up with a fresh email address that hasn't been used on Hostinger before, just to make sure everything goes through smoothly. Alright, if this helped you out, drop a like on the video and hit subscribe. It means the world and helps the channel grow. See you in the next one.